Hello everyone, welcome to Recipes. Today we're going to make really easy and healthy spinach chicken curry. For that, pour 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into a pressure cooker. Add 4 green chilies. After a minute, add 2 sliced onion. When our onions are translucent, add 8 garlic cloves. To that, add 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and half teaspoon crushed whole spices. Add 700 gram chicken which are cut into small pieces with bones. Coat the chicken with the masala. When it's well combined, cover it and cook it for 2 minutes on medium flame. Add 1 sliced tomato. You can add about half a cup of water at this time. Cover and cook the chicken for about a whistle. Now our chicken is well cooked. Add required salt. Add half teaspoon garam masala. Add about 3 cups of sliced spinach. Spinach is a great source of vitamin A, K and C. It's the best food that you can eat to get the maximum vitamin K. It's a superfood with tons of nutrients and a low calorie package. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Add some coriander leaves and it's set to serve. Do try this simple chicken curry and let me know your comments. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe my channel.